Okay, so here's how you can make a Memoji directly on your Apple Watch. So luckily, this feature is part of the actual Apple Watch and it works as a standalone app because on the iPhone, we can only create it through the messages app. It is right here, right? And on the Apple Watch, we have it as a separate application. So go to the all apps view and scroll down in here and you can see these like faces. So just tap on this icon and you can just choose and start customizing it, right? So just scroll down and click on get started. So right now, after it loads up, you will have the ability to just, choose all of the like hairstyles and brows and everything. You need to make sure that you just customize it the proper way. Just do everything you can to make sure that you get the most out of this feature. And when you're done, you essentially end up with a finished like Memoji, whatever, right? And I believe that right now it should also appear as part of your iPhone right here. Obviously, it is connected, so it is right here, and you can use your phone to track your face and everything, right? And you can record yourself doing whatever you want. But that's how you can use it on the Apple Watch. Also, I believe that you should have the ability to start a new message or at least like include it in here, right? So when you click on it, there's like App Store, you can also just directly decide or get the Memoji stickers, right? So you can just click on the one you selected and choose from all of the face expressions and stuff. So yeah, that's how you can use it. You can just share it and send it to someone through iMessage. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.